Alright, these are the old seats out of the 4runner. Well, the old seats anyways. I took somewhat of a, I'm not gonna say a different route, but I am gonna experiment with this seat a little bit. Found me a nice sit-in, nice fill-in seat. As you see, the condition of this seat is A1 crappy. You got your rips here and here and fading and here. So what I decided to do is I went on the site called carpart.com and ended up finding me a replacement gray seat for the 4runner, and it was in pretty good condition. I will go out to the truck and show it to you. Let me just excuse the place. I just got in. I had ordered the seats. I picked them up yesterday. And I installed them. Now I'm finna show them to you. It's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. Okay. And you see, it's not too bad. A little cracking here, but overall is in way better shape. What I'm going to do is I will get the seat repaired. What I'm gonna do is get this part right here. I put tape on it, but this piece of vinyl material, whatever, just need to replace. I'll take it off the old seat and get it stitched in. And then here I might just leave it alone. It ain't worth my time. But this is just a fill-in. I'm going to experiment with racing seats still. But for now, this will suffice and it'll look pretty good. I say I need to clean that one. This one is pretty clean. I got it for 75 bucks and I saw it, and hence the 75 bucks is why I got it. And I say the only thing is, I say this one is a little bit more plushier than the driver's seat. The passenger seat. It's a little bit more plushier. I think this was replaced at one time. So I'm like, lucky me. So, yep. But it's pretty alright and it makes the vehicle look a lot better. And at 236,000 miles, I wouldn't complain at all. So the racing seat still continues. I will be moving soon, so I'm gonna put that on hold. So I can't be making any big purchases. Gotta be responsible. So until next time, I'm out.